Alright, so this is what we're cruising today. My 64 Impala. 8 batteries, 3 pump setup. And all my videos get copyrighted for the music playing. So I don't know if I'm gonna put music this time or let the radio play this time. I might play it low enough so I can hear it, but we'll see. Just take a ride. You're right in front of my mouth. Can you see it? Look at that setup. Kind of jerry-rigged it. So sorry if you hear me breathing and shit. Let's hear some of them, man. Why not? Alright, let's go. Car's still cold, so got my hood on, so if a cop does see me, hopefully he won't fuck with me. I'm not going on no main streets like this with this thing on my head. Just cruise the fucking neighborhood. Keep it low enough just so I can hear it. You guys are just gonna have to listen to this rattly sucker. I've never been straight. Let's see what that does. Maybe it dead ends. I don't know. You can get lost in this neighborhood quick. Oh shit. Got a Chevy ripped apart. Now hurry up and buy. Wow. Is that third? Yeah. It's stiff in the mornings for some reason, going back and forth on the shifter. I gotta lube it up in there. If you ride full lock up, it rides rough and noisy. And that lady was looking at me like I was crazy. Probably do look crazy right now. Sorry. Hood was falling. Alright guys, let me know what you think about this POV. If this is better, I'll do this more often. Let me know.